Good day to you all. I'm Rekia Hassan Bako, a staff from Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, a center that boasts of experts in the field of phytotherapy. Our medicines are manufactured from 100% organic herbs, and this medicines has gone through series of tests by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, and NAFDAC has also given its approval license also for this medicine to be sold or used anywhere around the world. Our medicines are very, very effective and affordable. And one thing I would like to tell you is these medicines do not have harmful side effects. That is that. So today I'm going to talk about hypertension. Well, we have medicines for hypertension, and these medicines that we give for hypertension, it's not like it's going to manage this your blood pressure or whatever. No, it's not going to manage it. You kind of like go back to normal. You not having to think about taking drugs so as to normalize your blood pressure or so. No, we give you medicine for you to like for it to get rid of this hypertension, for everything, your blood pressure to be back as normal as it should be without you taking drugs from time to time or getting bothered about checking your blood pressure and so on. Many people tend to ask, or let me say some people tend to ask, like, what is this hypertension? Well, it's also called high blood pressure, which is a common disease that occurs when the pressure in your arteries is higher than it should be. Most people with high blood pressure do not show any sign or symptoms of it. And that is why this condition of high blood pressure or hypertension, like as it is known, has been dubbed a silent killer, because some people, they tend to have this high blood pressure, but they do not know about it. Why? Because there is no like, it's not a must for everyone to have kind of like a sign or symptoms that shows that this person is battling with hypertension. And also other symptoms, that's if it tends to show its signs or symptoms. Other symptoms include headache. You will feel a kind of like a fatigue. There is nose bleed. There is heart palpitation. There is shortness of breath. There is nausea and or vomiting. There is lightheadedness and also fainting. These are some of the symptoms in those people that kind of like have that shows signs or symptoms. These are the signs and symptoms that they might come in contact with. The causes of high blood pressure also include old age, like anything from 40 years and above. You are at the risk of having this high blood pressure due to maturity, old age, also gender. When they talk about gender, well, men kind of like there is a statistics whereby men are found to be much more hypertensive compared to women. Also, there is family history. If you have a family history of this hypertension, so you stand a risk. Also, you are at the risk of having this hypertension. Also, there is overweight. When you're overweight, it causes hypertension. There's lack of physical activity. That's when you don't exercise. It causes this hypertension. There is dietary choices. There is stress. Pregnancy, also birth control pills causes hypertension. Well, most people tend to ask, what are the complications? When I talk about complication, it means when you don't tackle this hypertension at its early stage, what does it lead to? Well, it leads to stroke, it leads to heart attack, it might even lead to heart failure, vision loss. There is kidney disease or kidney failure. It leads to peripheral artery diseases or sexual dysfunction. These are its complications. So I'll advise you, if you notice this, that you're struggling with this high blood pressure, come to Diabetic Herbal Medical Center. Our medicines are very, very effective. And like I said earlier, these medicines, when we give it, we don't give it to you so as for it to manage this your hypertension or high blood pressure. No, we give you for you to like, okay, get rid of this high blood pressure. It will make your system, your arteries, everything work as normal as it should be from the onset. So you don't have to worry about going always going for checkup. Although it's good to go for checkup, but when you talk about checkup, you know what I mean. Not like always, when you're not able to sleep, maybe you start to feel that maybe because your blood pressure is high. No, this time around maybe it's because of due to one or two things, but you are not hypertensive again after taking our medicines. What are the preventive measures? First of all, you should eat a healthy diet. Indulge yourself. Try as much as possible to make sure that your diet is a very, very healthy one. Also, maintain a healthy weight. Next is you should exercise regularly. It is good for your body, it is good for your mind, also for your physical structure. It is good for you to exercise as much as you can, but not too much. Also, you should reduce stress. Stress is kind of like one of the causes of this high blood pressure. Try as much as possible not to get all that stress out. Also, you should limit your alcohol intake. If you are an alcoholic, try as much as possible, please, to reduce your intake of alcohol and stop smoking. Stop smoking. Smoking causes lots of things. Also, you should cut down on your smoking. Well, I'm going to stop here, but for more information, as always, you can contact us on the following number: 070-300-99277 or 080-6367-6662. Or you can come to our head office, which is at number C21 Sophia House along Zaria Road, and we are opposite this bridge called Garden Denki, and beside this popular supermarket called Jufatu Store. Thank you all for listening. Till we meet next time.